Hey there, this is Jasmine with WTI. As I've gotten older, I've noticed that the summer months, I love them, but I can't quite take the heat like I used to. Now things have changed. This is OKK Store's portable neck cooling fan, and this is an accessory I didn't even know I needed, but now that I have it, I'm most likely wearing it when I'm doing outdoor activities. Some things I really like about this neck fan is its sleek design. Every time we wear it in public, we get compliments and questions about it. It has a long-lasting charge, up to 16 hours on the lowest speed and 4 hours on the highest. It's easy to use with only one button to turn it on, switch speeds, and turn it off. It charges with any USB power source, and I love that it doesn't get caught in my hair, and it blows air from the top and from the sides. It's not heavy, and it stays put even when you're hard at work. My son benefits from it as well, and we really appreciate how quiet the fans are even on its highest speed. Let me show you. So if you or a loved one are looking to take the edge off of the heat this summer, I highly recommend OKK Store's neck cooling fan. These are the perfect gift for someone you love, and these will keep you cool all summer long. And that is my point of view.